Hi everyone, this is Gayle. I'm an ambassador for Simply Earth Essential Oils, and I just completed my monthly recipe box, which will be in a separate video if you'd like to watch that. But in the meantime, I've been asked to show which one of these 6 recipes was my favorite. And I have to say, it's the room spray. It's called Beach Day Room Spray, and it is one of the best smelling room sprays I've ever had. I can't say it smells like the beach, but it's very clean smelling and fresh, and it's just the kind of fragrance I love. So I'm going to take a cut from my video where I was making this, in my monthly box video, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm really interested in this Beach Day room spray. So let me open this, and it says 5 drops of blood orange, I'm just curious what their Beach Day smells like. If I like it, I'll probably make a diffuser blend out of it anyway. 1 drop of peppermint. I'm not going to use this up very fast at 1 drop at a time, am I? So that's 1 drop of peppermint and 1 drop of coriander. And you'll notice that the coriander is in a smaller bottle than we normally get. We usually get a 15 milliliter bottle. But coriander is a very expensive oil. So rather than charge us a lot of money for a big bottle of the coriander, they put it in a 5 milliliter bottle, so it makes it more affordable. So 1 drop of coriander. And 1 drop of timber, which I will shake since it is a blend. I just want to make sure everything is still blended up together. And 1 drop. Whoops, I got 2, so we'll see. Shouldn't make a difference. And then it says to fill the rest up with distilled water. I don't want to overfill it. Let me check the inside here. Yeah, because I'm afraid if I put any more in it, it will overflow when I screw this on. And I could use the GeoGuard, but I'm not. So I'm going to put this on and shake it. And it says shake and spray to naturally refresh a room. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, it does smell like the beach. How did those fragrances come out like the beach? It's awesome. So anyway, I'm sorry, I just got excited. Where is the Beach Day? Now what I'll do when I get, well, I don't know, what is today? The 7th, June the 7th? I bet that'll work. 6, 7. Should have written on that before I took it off because it's kind of sloppy. But anyway, so now I know that after, I need to use this within the next 2 or 3 weeks. But oh, the smell is wonderful. And I'm not just saying that because I'm I'm a Simply Earth ambassador. That is just an amazing smell. I really like that. See how easy that was? It's so nice when you can make your own natural ingredients for your home and not deal with a lot of artificial fragrances and chemicals. So if you're interested in the monthly recipe box from Simply Earth, I've got a link below where you can not only get $15 off of your recipe box, but you can also get a free big bonus box. You get free access to the Simply Earth education program, and you'll also get, if you use my ambassador code, which is below also at checkout, you will get a free $45 e-gift card, so that you can use on anything that you want on the Simply Earth webpage, except maybe the recipe box. I don't know if it applies to that or not. So I hope you enjoyed this, and come back again and watch my other videos. I do an unboxing every month. Every month is a different theme. This month's theme was diffusers, this is a type of diffuser when you can get it in the air. So just every month is something different. So I will, check back on my YouTube channel and see if there's another one that might interest you. And more than anything, check out Simply Earth. They're wonderful. Thanks. Come back soon.